Good morning, everyone. Problems are being resolved in coordination with departments. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the Haryana government has a unique initiative dedicated to public service in the form of Samadhan Camp to resolve public complaints. The district administration is ensuring on spot resolution of various types of problems of the people by organizing Samadhan camps. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma is continuously monitoring the complaints received in the Samadhan camp. On Tuesday, SDM Ashish Sangwan and CTM Jitender held a Samadhan camp with the heads of the concerned departments in the auditorium of the mini secretariat from 10 a.m. to 12 noon and heard problems of the common people and directed the officers and employees of the concerned department to resolve the problem on priority basis. Problem of common citizens related to property ID, family identity card, ration card, electricity, water and various social security pension schemes. It were heard in the Samadhan camp. He promptly resolved many problems received from the citizens through the officers and employees of the concerned departments present on the spot and provided relief to the complaints. Reduce electricity bill expenses by installing solar panels. Deputy Commissioner reviews PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma reviewed the PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme of the new and renewable energy department in a meeting held with the concerned departments. He said that PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme is an ambitious scheme of the government. Taking advantage of this scheme, Antyodaya families can easily light their house. Antyodaya and under category families should come forward to take maximum benefit of this scheme. The Deputy Commissioner, while reviewing the PM Surya Ghar scheme, said that free electricity scheme has been started under this scheme. Every village of the district will be equipped with the solar energy. The aim is to deliver green and clean energy to the villages. The aim is to empower rural communities to become more self-reliant in meeting their energy needs. The aim of this scheme is to promote technologies like solar-based domestic lighting in all houses, solar-based water system in the village, solar pumps for agriculture purposes, and installation of solar street lights. He informed that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has launched the PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme on 13 February 2024. Under this scheme, the central government gives a subsidy of rupees 30,000 per kilowatt to the general category consumers. Along with the PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme, the Haryana government has also decided to give additional assistance to its electricity consumers under this scheme, especially poor and Antyodaya families were included, which includes consumers with income up to rupees 1 lakh 80,000 and up to rupees 3 lakh. Along with this, the approved load of the house of these consumers is required to the be only up to 2 kilowatts, in which only 2400 units of electricity should become used in the year. The Deputy Commissioner said that the Haryana government gives a subsidy of up to rupees 25,000 per kilowatt to consumers with income up to 1,80,000 rupees, and it will be available only up to 2 kilowatts. Along with this, the consumer will also get the benefit of subsidy from the government of India. That is, solar connection will be available for free in our ways. Similarly, solar connection consumers with the income of rupees 1,80,000 to rupees 3 lakh will get rupees 10,000 per kilowatt as subsidy, which is up to 2 kilowatt. A subsidy of rupees 60,000 and a subsidy of rupees 78,000 is given on 3 kilowatts, which is set directly to the consumer's bank account. He said that by this adopting this scheme, poor families can light their house for free. Until the families get the benefit of subsidy provided by the central government, as well as additional financial help given by the Haryana government. It is the necessary to have a family ID to apply under Antyodaya Parivar. Consumers of all categories can easily avail the benefits of this scheme. The Deputy Commissioner has appealed to the people to take advantage of this scheme. Bank loan facility is also available for this. To avail the benefits of this scheme, application can be made on the portal of South Haryana Electricity Distribution Corporation pmsuryaghar.gov.in. During this, many officers, including Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary, SI Vijender Lamba, LDM Rajwardhan, PO NRI Subhas Saini were present. IGNU again extended the last date of admissions till 28 February. February 18th, Master in Social Work MSW program provides opportunities to learners for higher studies in professional social work. Apart from offering core courses related to social work, courses around the world and in India, it includes theory papers on some relevant areas of social work as such as globalization, migration, history of social work in India, social work practice, and courses on HIV ads, which are expected to be highly useful in the constant of present times. Giving information, Dr. Dharampal, Regional Director IGNU Regional Center Karnal, said that practical components have been carefully designed to provide practical training to the learners, which will enable the candidates to find suitable placements within and outside the country. The bachelor degree program social work BSW is for these candidates who are interested in providing professional assistance to needy people. Persons with professional training degree in social work usually work in socially relevant areas such as healthcare, community development, education, industry, counseling, family reform, social defense, women, children, disability, extra. Students who want to take admission in Master in Social Work MSW and Bachelor in Social Work BSW courses can take admission by visiting IGNSU's website. The last date for admission in various IGNU courses has been extended till 28 February. Along with this, students who have to get re-registered in second year, third year, and semester-based courses can also get re-registered till 28 February. The district town planner department took action to demolish illegal colonies constructions in the urban area, controlled area. The action was successfully implemented with the cooperation of the district town planner, deputy magistrate Amit, senior boxing coach, and Sunil Kumar, ASI. In the illegal colony built on about at acres on Bhairvi Kalyana Road in Bhairvi revenue area of Charkhidadri. About 10-12 illegal constructions of boundary walls and Kacha road network was demolished. The district town planner has appealed to the general public not to buy plots in illegal colonies under the influence of property dealers and not to do any kind of construction in the prohibited strips of schedules road by bypass and ensure to take permission from the department before doing any construction in the controlled area. Departmental action against the illegal builders will be implemented as per rules. For any type of information, you can contact the district town planner officer Charkhidadri on any working day.